Hi guys, so basically, my dad is on FaceTime with me, and I am too. But basically he's in Africa. Tell us what you're doing, Dad, in Africa.
There must be lag from my internet connection. I'm in Africa on a business trip.
Yeah, so basically I have a babysitter watching me. So yeah, so we're going to do a blindfolded challenge today. I wish he was actually with me, but he's not. Okay, so...
At least we got the video chat.
Yeah. Dad, can you pass me the acrylic paint, please?
Which color?
Orange.
But I'm in Africa. How am I supposed to do that?
Just pass it.
Okay, you ready?
Thanks, Thanks, man. Thanks. Okay, so basically, we just wanted to prank you guys because this wall back here looks like a split screen. Literally. So basically, today we are doing the blindfolded slime challenge like we did for our first ever video, but in 2021. So basically, we changed it up a little bit. I have this bowl of doom. Yes, there's some ketchup in there, mustard, ew. And basically, Colleen, which she's never been recorded before on YouTube, she's going to ask us questions, and we're going to be blindfolded. So we have good ingredients over here. And if we get the question wrong, we have to pick out of the bowl of doom. If we get it right, we don't have to pick out of the bowl of doom. Look at my shirt, by the way.
Whoa.
Yeah, man. Okay, so we have all these things. Clay, colors, slime ingredients, nice add-ins. Let me get this stuff because it fell. So, Colleen has questions. So if you want to introduce yourself, you can.
Hi, I'm Colleen.
If you want to be on video, you can.
No, I'm shy.
Okay, so you're going to ask us questions. We're going to be blindfolded, okay? So, ready? Get your bowl.
Oh, I need that.
Yeah.
Oh, my bowl.
Okay, so everyone, put your blindfold on. Come on, put your blindfold on, Dad. Put your blindfold on.
Okay, I'm trying to get the glue off my finger.
Okay, you ready?
No. It's freaking hot.
Make sure he's not cheating.
It's hot in Africa.
We're not in Africa. We're in America. Okay, you ready? 3, no cheating. 3, can you see through it?
No.
No, because I know you can see through that.
I'm trying to bunch it up. Hang on,
Bunch
bro.
it up.
Ah, it hurts my eyes, man. There's too much pressure on my eyes.
There, you're good.
Ow, it's pushing them into my brain.
Put it under your nose.
I can't, honey. Who said that?
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, I put my blindfold on.
You're the one
Okay.
that cheats.
I'm not cheating. I said I'm not cheating this round. Okay, so ask us the first question.
Okay, first question.
Is it a song thing?
Yeah, let's do, how about...
So tell us a song, okay?
Okay. What do I got to do? You guys got to guess who it is?
Yeah. No, what song, what movie it's from.
We could play a song
Okay.
and guess it.
The most wonderful thing about tigers are wonderful things.
I know!
What?
Winnie the Pooh. Or
Ding, 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 ding.
or to be exact, Christopher Robbins.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good
Okay,
job, honey.
so you
Good
ready
job.
to pick out the bowl of doom?
I have to now?
Yes, just grab in.
Oh my goodness. Where? Oh!
Grab it. Grab it.
Ah, yes. What is it?
I don't know. You can't look. Okay. Okay. So let's start this, and then Colleen, you'll ask us more questions.
Do I have to dump it in?
Yes. Now. No, not in your hand.
What is it?
I don't know. How am I supposed to know?
Is it coming out?
That's good.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Colleen, you
It's
say.
good.
Okay. Jeez. Hopefully you're getting in the bowl.
I want to see what that is then.
Okay.
Sit
I'm
there.
gonna pick stuff. Hopefully I can get something good.
Is it pepper? I'm allergic to pepper. I might blow
It could
up.
be glitter. Wait! If you said pepper, pepper. If you said pepper,
I can smell
how did you know it was pepper?
I'm
If you
smelling
thought
it.
it was pepper.
I can smell it. It smells like pepper.
Oh, well, that was one of the ingredients I
Is
picked.
it? Oh my god, I'm
Yes.
allergic to it. I'm gonna have to go to the hospital.
Okay. You're not allergic to anything. Okay, so I'm gonna pick a color.
I'm allergic to work.
Please get either neon pink or like regular pink. I'm okay with anything, especially purple maybe. I'm okay with. Hopefully this is paint. I don't know if it's paint. Okay, as soon as we mix this in, you can tell us the next question. Dad, tell me when you're ready mixing it.
I think I'm ready. I can't see, but hey, we'll go with it.
So hopefully I mix this fully in, because if I don't, I'll be mad. If it's even paint, could be glitter. Wait, I forgot to put out glitter. No one needs glitter. We're good.
What are you doing?
I'm mixing.
I'm waiting for my
Hopefully I'm mixing. Okay. No cheating.
I'm not
Remember,
cheating.
if you're cheating, it's gonna be bad. I'm gonna
not
be mad.
cheating.
And
You're the one that's cheating.
I am not cheating.
How did you see to pick up the bucket of doom?
Oh, because I can feel it on my leg. It's touching my leg.
Yeah, and you're just like, oh,
It
pick
is.
that one.
Because I don't know what it is, and everything's bad. So I just want you to pick something.
Okay.
Everything's bad. I don't have my blindfold up. Why would I do that? That's called cheating.
Yeah. Like the last time.
You cheated last time. I wanted red to make my slime pink. And you cheated and grabbed the red and put it on your ankle so you could keep it.
Alright guys, comment below and let me know who you thought cheated in the last video. Ow! I didn't even see that coming.
I don't even know how I got you. I thought I was gonna miss.
That was right in my ear.
It was?
Alright, next question.
Okay. Next question.
How many
Next
questions are we
question.
asking?
You could do like 5
4
times
questions.
something.
Okay.
I know my 5 times something.
Okay. There's a crazy bug outside that's noisy.
Locust.
How
Cicada.
long has it been?
17
underground?
years.
17 years.
Ha, I beat you. Pick out of the bucket.
Okay, fine. Okay, let me pick out of the bucket.
If you can find it. Here, let me get it for you.
Stop! Stop! Ah! Don't touch me! It's already bad enough.
Now,
I'm
I have to
blindfolded.
pick something out of here, right?
Yeah. No, you don't pick anything.
I don't pick anything? Well, how'd you put glitter in then? Why'd you put glitter in?
Well, you picked something out of... Well, yeah, pick something... How do you know I picked glitter?
You said, I hope I get the good glitter.
No, I said I hope I got the good paint. Okay, I'm still picking because I don't know what to pick.
It's really, my eyes are itchy. Stop.
Okay, I picked
Can
out
I
of the
adjust
bowl
my
of doom.
blindfold? Because my eyes are really...
No.
I feel it pushing...
No.
I have to, honey. I'm sorry. It's pushing into my brain.
What? Stop. Dad, you're cheating.
I'm not cheating. My eyes are closed.
Where's your bowl?
It's hurting my brain.
Okay.
What are you doing? Now I have to pick something out of here.
Yes, pick whatever. Tell me when you're ready.
Hang on.
I don't know when I'm ready, but just try to tell me when you're ready, when you think
Can
you're
I
ready.
ask for help? Like just a little drop?
No, just put it in. Put it, no, that's on your finger, I think. Dad!
I don't want a lot, honey. Not that way. That's how blind people do it. They feel with their fingers. And then when they fill their cups of water, they put their finger in the cup so when it reaches their finger, they know it's full.
Okay,
I learned that when I was blind.
you're not blind.
Huh? Who said that?
Okay, I think I'm ready. I think, hopefully. Okay, I think I'm ready. Can't believe I picked out a bowl of doom.
Okay, next
Next question.
question.
Next question.
Did you mix your stuff?
Yes. think.
You better have picked it out of the...
I picked it.
Did you pick it out of the thing?
You could hear me ruffling.
Alright.
Don't tell me what I picked.
I can't hear
Okay.
anything. I'm deaf too.
Hopefully you can't see the thing I picked out of the thing. Hopefully I didn't get ketchup or mustard.
Alright, next question.
Okay. Your dad just poured some color into his slime.
How are we supposed to know
I
color?
will give you 3 colors and you tell me which one it is.
Okay.
Red,
Okay.
yellow, or orange.
Yellow.
I'm gonna go with orange.
I'm gonna go with yellow.
Ding ding, Miranda. Good.
Yes!
No!
Okay, I think
Ah.
this is the blue zoom. Here you go, I guess, Dad.
Colleen can grab it if it's...
Okay,
Does she have the pool too?
wait, here. Colleen.
What
You
did I
can-
call?
Hopefully I'm walking right.
How are you walking if you can't see?
Because I can't walk.
You're cheating.
Okay, she, I guess, picked it for you. I don't know.
You're cheating.
This is my chair. Oh, jeez, I fell. I fell out of my chair.
Am I picking or are you just grabbing?
She
It's
grabbed.
already picked. Down
Where
by
is
your
it?
foot. The other foot. Just kidding, the other foot.
Oh, I don't want this one.
How do you know what it is?
I know what the bottle is. It's
Okay.
ketchup.
Who cares? You gotta put it in.
Oh, man.
You're not cheating, I think. 'Cause how would you know it's ketchup? Answer that for me.
It's all over my hand.
Oh,
That's cold.
I smell it. Actually, it smells pretty good.
At least we can eat this when we're done.
Ew.
Ew.
Wait, so Dad got yellow slime, right?
This is nasty.
It looks like
Mustard.
mustard and ketchup. And then whatever he picked out of the bowl of doom is probably worse.
Ah, this is gross, dude.
Oh my god, it's gonna smell like ketchup.
Alright, next question.
I wonder what I got from the bowl of doom. Okay, next question.
Okay, next question
Could be 5
is
times something.
memory.
Memory?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, first I'll ask you, Wayne, what color is Miranda's blindfold?
Red.
Red.
Ooh, good one.
Red.
Ah.
Miranda,
Yeah.
what color is your dad's?
I think it's dark gray and light gray with stars.
Ding, 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 you both got it.
Yes! Okay, whoever gets
Nice.
this one right will be for both of us.
Okay. Let me think of a question.
You could do like what colors are bowl, chair,
What color is the bowls?
green.
Green.
I got it!
Ah.
Yes! Okay, is this a bowl of doom, I think? Okay, pick out of it, Dad, if you can
I
see.
can't. I'm all covered in ketchup and glue.
Then Colleen just pick, I guess.
Pick something that's going to dry this out. If there is such a
It
thing
could
in
be
there.
clay, there's clay. I don't know. Pick something that could dry it out.
Stop helping her, Miranda. I can see.
You can see!
I can't see, but I can
Oh,
see
yeah.
you.
Yeah,
Choice of
right.
words.
You can see me?
I can't see. I mean, I can see you in my brain doing
I'm not.
motions to
dude,
pick something.
I am blindfolded.
I'm a ninja. I have good senses. As you're talking, like, pick something good, Colleen.
Pick something good.
Alright, you gonna add it for me, or?
Hey, Colleen can, because I don't know where it is. Don't know! That could be near Colleen! Don't do that!
I don't know. Tell me where you want it.
That's good.
Not a lot, please, whatever it is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, mm-hmm.
Imagine if she puts a
I
lot.
don't like the sound of that. It
I
sounds
hope
like
she puts a
mustard.
lot. Oh, I think it's.
That's...
I think that
Come on,
sounds
that's
like
liquid.
mustard.
Oh, it's stuck.
Alright, that's enough.
Wait, I can put
No!
it on.
Come on! Not a lot. Okay, that's
Dad,
good.
what if your slime is
That's
dripping?
good.
I would pick up your slime if it's
Stop.
dripping.
You're good.
What the frick? This is gross, dude.
I think that could be mustard because you just said what the frick.
I know what it is. Come
What?
on.
What?
It smells like hand lotion.
You like hand lotion.
Yeah, but now when I
How? Why would that be in the bowl of doom? You saw it. It's not in the bowl of doom.
Oh, the slime is gross. Man, this ain't drying it out. Come on!
So that I can pick.
For the love of God! You just touched my slime.
Yes.
What did you put in there?
touched you. I didn't put anything.
You're putting... Yo! Come on!
I think I grabbed something of mine and I put it in your slime. That's good.
Oh my God. It doesn't even feel like slime anymore.
I'm actually blindfolded, but I just picked something up that I used that was good.
Did that go
And
on
I
the
just
floor?
put it on your slime.
A little bit, I got it.
My God. Stop!
That was Colleen, I think. I didn't do anything.
What is that?
I didn't do anything.
What the heck is that?
Okay, you ready for the next
hard.
question?
It feels like bubble gum.
It's a frog.
Stop! Why
What?
is everybody picking on me?
What am I doing? I'm sitting in my seat.
No, you're not. I can hear you behind me.
I'm sitting in my seat.
Next question.
Okay.
5 times 5.
22.
5 times 5?
What'd you say?
25.
Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, man.
What'd you say, 45?
He
I
said
said
22.
22.
That's not even close.
I said it too fast. Plus, my
Okay.
fingers are all slimed up. I can't use them to count.
I guess pick out of it. I don't know if I'm right.
Dude, are you serious? I gotta get more.
Yeah. Maybe try to
Dude,
answer
look at
the
my
questions
hands.
right.
I gotta go poop. I
Here,
can't even wipe
Colleen,
my
can
hands.
you put activator in his slime?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh my
Here.
God.
Colleen's gonna put activator in.
I think you're.
Colleen's putting
I have it.
Okay.
Is that enough?
Yeah, I think so. I felt like a lot.
Here, I'll give you some back.
Oh my God.
Dude,
I gotta poop.
I think my slime sucks
It's gonna
because of the bowl of doom.
Dude, I don't even know what this is even doing here. I'm not,
Colleen put activator.
I'm not gonna see my hands for months.
Need more?
I'm gonna be like Spider-Man. I probably walk up walls right now.
In the web.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
If he
Okay.
can't do it, no one can. Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Okay, next question.
Next question.
I put a blob of something.
Clay.
Yes. Whoa, what color? Wait, I'll give you 3 choices.
Okay.
Blue,
Whoever raises their hand first
No.
got
yellow, or pink.
Yellow.
Pink.
Yep.
Yes.
What?
I love pink. That's why I picked it.
Ah! I should have known.
I think your slime's already yellow from the mustard.
I think that's it. I think I'm done. I quit. Alright, what
Do
do
you
I...
need an activator?
Okay,
No,
Colleen's
I need
gonna
more
put the
activator.
thing in for you.
I think you got... What else? Is there anything left? I don't even know what was in there.
Yeah, there's a few stuff left. I think.
Pick something.
Okay, put your hands out so I can put it in there.
Not a lot, please. Okay. Holy sh... I felt a lot of stuff go there. I think that was Miranda dumping stuff in there.
Hi, I'm
Colleen.
sitting here.
Yeah.
Colleen just said.
Why did I hear you putting a lid on something?
Can you see me?
No, I heard you put the lid on after
How
it
would
touched my
you think-
hand.
Why would you think that?
Because I have good senses. I'm like a ninja.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man,
Spider-Man.
If he can't do it,
No one can.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. If he can't do it, no one can. And then my dad will fart in his pants.
What?
Yeah.
Don't talk about farts, because I have to poop.
I thought you had to do diarrhea to let the prairie dog out, though. Already.
The prairie dog's digging. I got to go. It'd be
Okay.
a little hard, though, with all the glue all over my hand. Shoot.
Okay, next question.
Next
the final question.
Ah!
Listen a second.
Hopefully I pick from the bowl of doom, because it's not fair to Dad. Dude, I can hear Wyatt.
Okay, I'm just listening.
Okay, last
I'm gonna give you 3 colors.
3 colors.
Yep. And what color would Miranda's slime be? Is it
Whoever raises their hand first.
orange,
No.
pink, or purple?
Purple.
Purple. I
Yeah.
raised my hand first.
No, you didn't.
I raised my
She
That
hand.
did.
doesn't count because I can't see.
Well, you didn't raise your hand?
I don't want any more stuff.
Purple.
Yay, I won!
Good
How'd
job.
you get purple slime?
I got it.
Oh my god,
Because I didn't get to pick from the bowl of doom except for one.
One time. I'm glad I knew that thing about the things. The cicada.
Okay. So, we're gonna... You don't have to pick anything, Dad,
I
because
don't
it's not
either.
fair. Okay, you ready? We're gonna lift our blindfolds up in 3, 2, and 1.
I can't see. What in the heck?
Yeah! Oh my god, look how stretchy it is!
Holy
Yes! There's
smokes.
bumpies. Wait, where did my bowl of doom go?
Look at all this stuff in here.
Dad, I think my bowl of doom took over.
I
I
lost
think-
most of mine in here.
I think. Okay, let's see what's in there that you got. And then I think I got this. This sand, which is bad.
I think I got
I
this.
think I got this sand. And then, oh, you got ketchup, this.
So it wasn't mustard, it was glitter.
Black glitter.
It smelled like pepper.
Ew. Oh my god, Dad. Okay,
My eyes
so,
hurt. I can't even see right from all
guys,
the pressure.
so I think
You look like Rambo.
you look my hair. Okay, so
Rambo!
basically that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And
I did.
if you guys, I did too.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
Good idea,
But
sweetheart.
if you guys liked my channel and liked this video and liked all my other videos, please subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell. And well, I'll see you guys in like a minute because I'm probably gonna post a video with my friends on Roblox. So
we'll
yeah,
we'll make a lot more videos. So subscribe and like
yeah.
and sit back and enjoy.
So slime.
Slime on.
Peace.